Climatix IC Remote Servicing System. We log in with our user account in the role as an installer or service engineer. We can see two systems. We would like to check the facility in the north and click on it. Its exact location appears. We check the status of the system. It is a ventilation system. The displayed parameters help us to immediately recognize the condition of the ventilation system. Via the navigation on the left, we can go even deeper into the details and see the sensors, the measurement history, the temperature sensors, and further information. For this ventilation system, we are particularly interested in the condition of the fan, how it's running, and at how much percent. With just one click, we receive all relevant information and we can react directly. As a technician, we also check the software of the system to ensure the latest versions, firmware, and files are installed. Green bars indicate that everything is up to date and a remote upgrade is not necessary. If an upgrade is necessary, we can initiate the process directly. To do this, we fix a date and receive a confirmation via email. We can immediately see in the system that an upgrade will start on the desired date. Climatix IC, the future-oriented system.